Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2017 and is related to the topic pollution. The question is, in the context of mitigating the impending global warming due to anthropogenic emissions of carbon dioxide, which of the following can be the potential sites for carbon sequestration? Number 1, abundant and uneconomic coal seams. Number 2, depleted oil and gas reservoirs. Number 3, subterranean deep saline formations. Now, as far as carbon sequestration is concerned, carbon sequestration is the process of storing or capturing atmospheric CO2. These atmospheric CO2 can be either injected into the coal seams or abundant coal mines, or in oil reservoirs, or forests, wetlands can act as natural sinks for atmospheric carbon dioxide. So, abundant and uneconomic coal mines are one of the reservoirs for carbon sequestration, because atmospheric CO2, they stuck upon the coal. So, in this way, the excess atmospheric CO2 can be sequestered into the coal seams. As far as depleted oil and gas reservoirs are concerned, suppose this is a oil well, and because of depletion there will be fall in the level of oils or gas. So, atmospheric CO2 can be injected into these oil or gas wells, the way in the process of fracking in shale gas reservoirs. So in fracking, what we do? We inject sand so that the shale gas that is present in the reservoirs can come up. In similar way, this CO2 can be injected so that the depleted oil reservoirs the level of this can rise. So, depleted oil and gas reservoirs are also one of the site for carbon sequestration. As far as subterranean deep saline formation is concerned, so this can also be a site for carbon sequestration. Also, forests act as natural sink for carbon sequestration, because trees, during respiration, they take CO2 and they breathe out oxygen. So this can be natural sink. Also wetlands, as far as wetland restoration is concerned, wetlands constitute 14.5% of soil carbon present across the world. So, soil carbon is also restored in wetlands, and as far as atmospheric CO2 is concerned, so the tree species that are present in the wetlands can sequester carbon dioxide. So, our answer for this question will be D, 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.